Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can use Revolut Contactless Pay. So let's get started. Now first off, go ahead and open up your Revolut cards in the upper right corner. From here, go ahead and select the card that you want to enable Contactless Pay for. So let's say the standard card. Then just go ahead and tap on Settings, and here scroll down to the bottom. Now under the contactless payments, you can disable it and enable it as you wish. But this doesn't allow you to pay with your phone, let's say. So this only enables the option for you to have your physical card in hand and then just pay contactlessly with that card in your hand. But if you want to pay with your phone contactlessly, you would need to add this card to Google Pay. So you can do this by just tapping Add to Google Pay and then tap Add to Wallet. From there, tap on Continue. Now just accept the issuer terms. And now your Revolut card is added to Google Pay, and you can pay contactlessly by just putting your phone near to a card reader device. But before doing so, you would need to turn on the NFC on your phone. So just tap on Turn on NFC. And now the NFC is turned on, and we can just pay using this Revolut card when we put it near the card reader device. So using this method, you can also add any Revolut card that you have, being a one-time card or a virtual card. So that's guys how you can enable contactless pay both for your Revolut physical card and for Google Pay if you want to pay with your phone and don't have your card on hand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.